over 25 years, many businesses in Hardin County and the surrounding areas span Home Baking Company, Hometown Healthcare Clinic, Lottie Daw, Living Word Fellowship, Main Street Music Center,
This game is being played according to the rules of the Tennessee Secondary School Athletic Association. TSSAA rules provide for fair competition among players. Our athletes
slipping was okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, it too plush.
I was in the trap, serving cocaine, ain't been the same fashion. Granny, she can stand right now while I catch a play on the brick. I made the look.
Here or something hot. What's your point? You just have to get shut out like you got pulled off. They shut off with the flag pole. He got the walk and he went on. He cut it back.
The guy was rolling out and doing the halfback pass. Thanks for Marion White. Come on.